Ramp mount in the middle of the R3, thanks to IdaMoto for the video he made with the idea to put the ram on the middle. I think it looks really nice. It's better there. Before, I think it was right over here. So it was over here before, but now you get to have it right in the middle. So there you go. IdaMoto has a good video about it with the installation of it. It looks really nice. Phone doesn't move at all. You can move the handlebars. It stays in place, man. Really like it. So thank you, IdaMoto, man. Shout out to you. And then here we are, man. I got it too. Thank you guys for watching, man. That's the ram mount on the midsection of the R3.